Hi everyone, myself Anjana PS, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Management, St. Albert's College, Autonomous. Here we discussing about the topic of financial management. Then what is financial management? Financial management means the efficient and effective management of funds in such a manner to accomplish the objectives of the organization. Financial management deals with financial planning, acquisition of funds, uses and allocation of funds, and financial control. Financial management refers to a part of a management activity which is concerned with planning and controlling firms' financial resources. It deals with finding a various resources for raising fund for the firm. The definition of financial management is, according to Solomon, financial management is concerned with the efficient use of economic resources, namely capital funds. The second definition of X.C. Kunchal defines financial management as a that financial procurement deals with the funds and their effective utilization in the business. Then next we discuss about natures or characteristics of financial management. Here we discussing 8 points of nature or characteristics of financial management. The first one is procurement of funds. The financial management is concerned with the allocation of collection of funds from different sources. The collection of funds includes identification of source of funds, raising of funds, consideration of funds, and cost of capital, etc. The second point is effective use of funds. Financial management is concerned with the effective use of funds collected from various resources. The effective utilization of funds ensure the safety, liquidity, and profitability of funds collected from the different sources. The third one is flexibility. Financial management when is flexible enough to adjust to change in the economic activities within the enterprise and outside the enterprise. The fourth one is managerial decision making. The financial management takes different cultures of financial resources in financial activities of the firm. It takes different decisions such as investment decisions, financing decisions, and dividend decisions. The fifth one is financial planning. Financial management frames financial planning, which include determination of capital requirements, method of raising funds, etc. The sixth one is financial analysis. Financial management makes financial analysis of the firm performance of any enterprise to assess the effectiveness of financial activities. The second last point is financial control. The financial management implies control over the financial activities to a business enterprise. Financial control ensure the effective use of the funds in planning way. The last one is credit management. The credit management is the process of financial management ensure the flow of the cash and from the business enterprise. The next one is we discussed about importance of financial management. The first point is success of business promotion. The sound financial plan is inevitable for success of business enterprise. If a financial plan adopted from the various phases provide sufficient capital to maintain the capital of a fixed and fluctuating capital of the business. The successful of the financial management is possible for financial management. The second thing is smooth running of enterprise. The sound financial planning is necessary for a smooth running of the organization or enterprise. And finance is required for each stage of business. That is promotion, incorporation, development, expansion, and administration activities of day-to-day working of etc. The proper management of finance is essential for the organization. The third one is financial management coordinate various functional activities. Financial management provide complete coordination between various functional areas such as marketing, production, etc. to achieve the organizational goals. Financial management is defective, the efficiency of the all or the other department cannot be made. The fourth one is focal point of decision making. Financial management provides scientific analysis of all facts and figures to various financial tools such as different financial statements, budget, etc. are which helps in evaluating the profitability to plan and given circumstances. So the proper decision can be taken to minimize the risk of the plans. Then fifth one is determinants of business success. A financial manager plays a very important role in the success of business organization, but advising the management activities to creating the solutions of various proportions, and they represent the importing fact and figures recording financial position on the performance of various functions of the company. And the last one is measures of performance. The performance of the firm cannot be measured by its financial results, that is, by its profitability and riskiness. Financial decisions which increase risk decrease the value of the firm, and on the other hand, financial independence which increase the profitability will increase the value of the firm. Here we discussing 6 points of importance of financial management. Here we concluding the financial management portions. First we discussed about the definition of financial management. The second we discussed about nature and the characteristics of financial management. And last we discussed about importance of financial management. Thank you all. Thank you for the section.